Okay, so what have we been up to? Well, made another little tiny circuit board on my breadboard to do with transistors again. So this circuit simply goes through this switch. Got our little power board on. It's only 3.3 volts, this one. Press the button, light comes on. Now, the reason I've made this again is because I wanted to try to get a better understanding of transistors. This simply feeds a positive current through this 1K resistor into the middle leg of the transistor, which basically closes a little switch in here in the transistor and allows this current, which is a positive current, to run through this 220 ohm resistor into the LED light, which is fed by a ground wire there. So the ground wire is this side, positive wire this side, positive wire into the switch, positive out obviously, through the 1K resistor into the middle leg of the transistor, which closes the transistor, which completes the circuit, and on comes the light. Now I know that's really simple, actually a little bit boring, but I wanted to try to just make sure that I understand how these transistors are working. The transistor is one of these chaps here, which is a 2N2222A, and you need a damn magnifying glass to be able to see that on them. We had a 1K resistor and a 220 ohms resistor and a button. Next project's going to entail one of these chaps, and this is one of these, an NE555, and basically we can turn this in with a capacitor and a couple of other bits into a timer, and we can set this up so as that light will just blink on its own without having to press a button. And I think this will be a bit more interesting project. Anyhow, thanks for watching if you did.